The degreeworks can show you all the different requirements you need to get your degree. So it shows you if you're proficient for all the different CUNY assessment tests, shows you all your pathway requirements, your core classes. If you've already satisfied a class, it's going to show up in yellow, or requirement. If you've already satisfied a requirement, it will show up in yellow. If you still have to satisfy a requirement, it's going to show up in peach, and it gives you all the different classes that you can use to satisfy the requirement. Since I'm later in my college career, most of mine are yellow, but I haven't satisfied world cultures and global issues yet, so I can satisfy with one of these classes. These are just more requirements. Now here it shows you all the classes that you would need for a major in computer science BA. It goes through the names of all the classes and all the class codes. You can hover over it and we'll show you the credits. Again, if a requirement for a class was already met, it's going to show up in yellow. If it wasn't met, it's going to be in peach. Here it will show you the elective credits you can take. Since I've taken a lot of classes already, I'm not allowed in the electives, but if you were allowed, it will show you the amount of credits you were allowed. These would be the classes you have in progress.